Welcome to Gym Camp Senior 2023, where the theme of our camp this year is chivalry.
Gallantry, courage, valor. Rare words in today's world. Rarely modeled, too. Not so with Robert Moffat, great missionary to Southern Africa in the early 1800s. Before shipping off to the Dark Continent, he had wanted to marry his sweetheart, Mary. Her father said, no. Prove yourself, he said. And prove himself he did. He crossed the seas alone and traveled so deeply into Africa that it was rumored he'd been murdered. Hyenas, hippos, snakes, and buffalo were always on the prowl. To fight off the evening dangers, Moffat learned from a Moravian missionary to dig a hole in the sand and bury himself up to his head. Lions would never eat just the heads, he was told. After years of proving his mettle, he finally tied the knot with Mary in Africa. That's gallantry. That's courage. That's valor. Join us in 2023 for Gym Camp Senior, where young men ages 16 years old and up will learn the lost art of chivalry. And what is chivalry? That's why you need to come to Gym Camp Senior. Along the way, there will be good eating, hands-on teaching, manly meeting, Bible preaching, and fierce competing. And in grasping the skill of chivalry, may these young men learn to be the leaders God has destined them to be. Gym Camp Senior. Lead, provide, protect.